So we've got a brand new Elise 900 on the flat rack, and we're going to take it to Plant Works, which is a big show all about plant and machinery. There she is on the flat rack, brand new. Take it up to the stall. That's where we're going, Plant Works. Okay, so we're driving this little electric skid steer. We're at Plant Works. Matey is over there escorting me. Got lots of machines. I've got a funky wrist thing so I can get in and out, because I've got to go back next week and pick it all back up. So from Peterborough back home.